Network Entertainment.
Kung anong priority mo sa buhay. Instead of, wala akong pera, huwag mo sabihin, wala akong pera eh. Hindi ka naman nagsinungaling ka, may pera ka naman. Ang pwede mo sabihin,
Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
kapatid, pwede ba akong maging honest sa'yo? Most of our money problems are not actually numbers or math problems. They are people problems. Kung hindi kayo maniwala, tapusin mo tong episode na ito. Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to Chink Positive Podcast. Today, pag-uusapan po natin yung napakahalaga, money and relationship. O, walang sugarcoating muna to, diretso muna tayo sa point. May mga kaibigan ka ba na parang laging yayaan sa gastos? Gala na lang, kain na lang, di ba? Or may mga kamag-anak ka ba na napakahirap talaga tanggihan? Or may mga mahal ka sa buhay na mahal din ang ika nga ay lifestyle. Panay swipe sa credit card. The reality is this, you don't lose money because you're bad with earning money. You lose money because the loved ones, the people behind you, ayaw talagang magbago ng lifestyle. Hindi ikaw magastos eh. Ang magastos yung mga taong kasama mo at katabi mo. So today, pag-uusapan po natin how people you are associating with shape your spending, anong boundaries na kailangan mo ilagay, and how you can love them without going broke. So, ready ka na ba? So, whether you like it or not, your circle is your future wallet. Yan ang magiging estado ng mga Di ba may kasabihan nga, kung apat ang kasama mong gastador, pang-5 ka. Kung apat ang kasama mong tomador, pang-5 ka. Kung apat ang kasama mong mahilig mag-shopping, pang-5 ka. So, ikaw mismo, discipline ka eh. Pero pag nakasama mo na yung mga taong hindi, minsan, nahatak ka eh. Pag ikaw lang mag-isa, you save. Pero pag kasama mo sila, you spend. Pag ikaw mag-isa, di ba, ikaw nga may disiplina. Kapag kasama mo, nawawala ang disiplina mo. Di ba? So, bumibigay ka, not because that you are weak, because you want to belong. And here's the truth that you need to hear. If your circle loves gastos more than ipon, your money will not grow. Reality. Alam mo, yung mga taong kasama mo, yung environment mo will overpower you and your plans every single time. Kaya nga next question, Chinky, okay, sige. Nagigising na ako sa katotohanan, but how can I love people without losing my money? Now, let's make this practical, hindi lang emotional. Hindi mo naman kailangang iwanan to mga to eh, di ba? You don't need to change how you show up to them. Pero ito lang, kailangan mo lang ng konting adjustment. Adjustment number 1. Kailangan clear ka kung anong priority mo sa buhay. Instead of, wala akong pera, huwag mo sabihin, wala akong pera eh. Hindi ka naman nagsinungaling ka, may pera ka naman. Ang pwede mo sabihin, alam mo, pass mo na ako ngayon kasi meron akong priorities eh. May iba akong goals. Di ba? Instead of sabihin mo, ay nako, mahal-mahal naman yan. Oo. Huwag ka magpaka-cheap. Oo. Alam mo, sabihin mo na sa kanila, ito, ganito. Pwede naman tayo mag-coffee sa bahay. Di ba? O pwede na tayo mag-walk in the park. Di ba? Mag-budget dinner na tayo. Or di ba, importante yung bonding time kaysa yung spending time natin. Di ba? So, you can look for cheaper options or better options. Or third, ito lang please, kung ayaw mo mabutas ang wallet mo, stop pleasing people using your wallet or your money. Alam mo, yung mga tunay mong kaibigan will respect your boundaries. Di ba? If they don't, honestly, that's the problem. They're not your true friends. So, in other words, pwede kang maging kaibigan sa mga kaibigan mo na hindi mo kailangan i-please sila. So, ang question right now, Chinky, having said that, ano pwede kong gawin in order for me to improve? Probably this is the one relationship habit that you need to probably improve. Before you say yes sa lahat ng lakad, sa lahat ng invite nila, the question that you need to ask yourself based on priority, will this help me to move me closer to my goals? Di ba? Yung financial goals ko. Or ito ay lalo pang ihila sa akin palayo sa goals. If closer, go. If farther, sandali lang. You can say no, di ba? And one more, I would suggest you spend more time with people na talagang who is wiser with you with regards to money. Sila yung mga may negosyo, sila yung successful, sila yung disiplinado. Alam mo mangyayari niyan? If you associate yourself with successful people, chances are you'll become successful one day. If you associate yourself with people who are, alam mo naman, irresponsible, magiging ganun ka rin one day. Listen to me. You don't rise to your goals. You rise to the people that you always associate with. And that's it for today's episode of Ching Positive. Siyempre naman, always remember your relationship can either make you successful or your relationship can make you broke. So I want to challenge you this week. Pick one boundary that you can keep. Ano pwede mong sabihin kung may nag-iiya sa'yo? Diba? Anong pwede mong sabihin? At maghanap ka ng isang taong pwede mag-inspire sa'yo. Okay? So if you like this episode and if you have mga questions with regards to your finances, don't hesitate to please go to my Facebook account, yung Meta account ko with 6 million followers. Pwede mo ko i-message doon. You can send me a message and I reply. Or if not, in Instagram, you can send me a message and I will answer there directly. Thank you very much for watching. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always check positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.